Hey class, these are the screencasts for the Chapter 17 problem set 12, 14, 24, and 56, and I'll probably be doing each problem in a separate screencast just to keep it short so that you can, you don't have to sit through all of them then like all at one time. You can choose what you want to do. So let's take a look at this. This says indicate whether the pH increases or decreases or remains the same when each of the following is added. Okay, so the first one, I just want to show you the first thing. I'm going to take the time here to say if I got a solution, there we go. If I got a solution of HC7H5O2 plus water, like this, and then on this side here I get the H plus because they separate. What am I doing here? It's actually bonehead H3 plus like that, and then plus the HC7 5O2 minus like that. Notice that this right here is what would happen here. So if this increases in concentration because you add calcium and then whatever that is, I forget, I don't know what C7H5O2 is, but whatever that is, if you have that calcium, that calcium compound, if you increase it by adding that, that will shift the equilibrium back in this direction, which means there will be less of this, which means pH goes up. So if we get rid of the part that is acid, the pH goes up. All right, so let's see if we can do another one of these and take a look. Now here, what are we looking at? B is very similar. This one works kind of like a base though. So if I'm getting rid of, let me see, if I got this to the solution of pyridine. Yep, so what's going to happen is if I'm adding this to water, what I get, this is the solution that I'm starting with. H5N and then plus H2O. On this side here, what I get is C5H5NH, and over here I get OH minus. And when I add this to it, I'm increasing this, which decreases this, which means pH decreases. If I'm decreasing this, my H plus goes up as a result of decreasing the OH minus. Okay, so this is how you have to think of it. If you increase this, it goes in this direction. This goes down, this is going up. That means this goes up and this goes up, and the thing that changes the pH will be this over here. So the OH goes down, which means pH goes down. Excuse me. So ammonia to HCl, what's going to happen? Ammonia is NH3. On the other side, what I get is NH4, the plus, and Cl minus. Okay, what I'm doing is taking away all of the H plus with the NH3, so that means that this here is going down because it's being bound up as NH4 with a plus, so that means pH is going up, pH up. Okay, I'd like you to follow through. We'll spend some time and go over those then after they're due. So there's 2 more to do. I'd like you to try, give some explanation as to why the pH goes up or goes down or doesn't change.